If you want to install Lightroom on your PC, this video will walk you through 3 easy ways to do it, so you can choose the one that fits your setup best. Whether you want the fastest option, the most recommended option, or the cloud-based option, I'll keep it simple and beginner-friendly. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Let's start with the first method, which is using the Microsoft Store. This is one of the simplest ways to get Lightroom on a Windows PC. First, open the Microsoft Store from your Start menu or taskbar. Once it opens, go to the search bar and type Adobe Lightroom. When the app appears in the results, click on it, then select Install. Wait for the download and installation to finish, and once it's done, click Open to launch Lightroom right away. This method is great if you want a straightforward install with minimal setup. Now let's move to the second method, which is Adobe Creative Cloud. This is the recommended option if you already use other Adobe apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and sign in with your Adobe account. If you do not have the app installed yet, you may need to download it from Adobe first. After signing in, go to the Apps section. Here, you'll see Lightroom listed among the available Adobe apps. Simply click Install next to Lightroom and let Creative Cloud handle the rest. The advantage of this method is that it keeps Lightroom updated automatically and gives you access to the full Adobe experience in one place. The third method is using the Adobe Lightroom website. This is useful if you want to try Lightroom through the cloud or explore the online version first. Open your browser and go to the official Adobe Lightroom website. From there, sign up for an Adobe account or start a free trial if available. Once you're logged in, you can edit photos online directly in your browser, and in some cases, you may also be prompted to install the browser or desktop app for a smoother experience. This is a flexible option if you want to work across devices without relying only on the desktop software. If you're wondering which method is best, I'd recommend Creative Cloud for most users. It gives you the easiest access to updates, the full feature set, and better control if you're already in the Adobe ecosystem. But if you just want a quick install, the Microsoft Store works well too. And if you prefer browser-based access, the Adobe website is a solid choice. So to recap, you can install Lightroom on your PC through the Microsoft Store, through Adobe Creative Cloud, or through the Adobe Lightroom website. Pick the one that matches your workflow, follow the steps, and you'll be ready to start editing in no time. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.